Let's check out if it is possible to install a GCam on a Realme GT8 Pro. In order to check that, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Over here, let's go to search, and we're gonna install an app that is called GCam. This is an app that allows us to check if we can actually install GCam. So we're gonna see if there is a compatible version of the GCam available for Realme GT8 Pro. And it seems that right now, as I'm recording this video, it is still not possible to get it. It is still not available. So we're gonna tap on Request GCam, and perhaps in the future, once you open the app, there might be a fully compatible version. So since there is no direct version for Realme GT8 Pro, what we can do is we can go to GCam over here at the bottom, and then we can search for GCam app that is made for other Realme smartphone. So essentially we're gonna type Realme over here, and then we can try to find the newest version possible. In this case we have some older versions, but there's also 9.2. Maybe we can find a newer one. And essentially you are looking for GCam version that is the newest available here. And it seems that 9.2 is the newest available for Realme. And I'm just gonna tap on Start Download. Of course, we can see an ad in the meantime, and most likely we'll open a browser where we will have to download the app. Keep in mind that right now I'm trying to install a GCam that is not made for GT8 Pro, but for another Realme smartphone. Exactly, it is, to be precise, it is Realme 12X. So what it means is that some features might not be working at all, and there might be some bugs and glitches, and there is even a chance that the app will not work at all. So this is something that you need to keep in mind, that since this is not made specifically for GT8 Pro, the app might just be incompatible to some degree or completely. So let's wait for the app to be downloaded. And another thing that you need to keep in mind is that the app is, of course, from unknown source. This is an unknown app. So whenever you're trying to install these, you need to grant permissions for example, the browser to install apps from unknown sources. Your phone will actually guide you to do so, but I'm just saying that so that you will not be surprised when you actually get the app. So in my case, I'm going to install it. There we go, and let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to grant all these permissions. All right. So you can see that the camera preview is working just fine. Let's try to capture a photo. Let's open the photo. Let's see if it's gonna work. And it seems that it is working. Let's try to zoom out and zoom in as well. Can I use 3.1? I believe we should be able to do so. So I switched the lens, and now I cannot switch back, so this is one of the issues, I guess. Let's also switch to the front camera. It seems to be working just fine. We can also try to use different options like the portrait mode or photo mode, etc. We can also switch to the video mode in order to see if we can actually record a video. And it seems that yes, we can. We can switch to the front. Alright, we can also check settings. And it seems that we can record 4K 60. It seems that we do. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It seems at first glance that the GCam is actually working properly. So maybe this is actually a good version for Realme GT8 Pro. Hopefully it's gonna work completely fine without any major issues. So if you are willing to try it out, then this is how we can get it. Subscribe to my channel.